Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we'll show you how to combine data from multiple columns into a single column in Google Sheets. Have you ever needed to merge data from multiple columns into a single column in your spreadsheet? Whether you're consolidating names, addresses, or any data, Google Sheets make it easy to combine columns. In this tutorial, we'll show you through step by step on how to use functions the ampersand to merge your columns efficiently. Even if you're new to spreadsheets, you'll find this guide simple and helpful. So let's dive in and master the art of combining columns in Google Sheets.